Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to use lists on X. So first of all, let's go through how to create and manage your list. So open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, which opens side menu. And then from the list of sections, you want to find lists section. And now let's create a one. So in the bottom right corner of your screen, you want to tap a new list icon. And from here, you can create your list. So first of all, you can upload photo to your list. Let me pick one from my gallery. Also, you can set specific position of your list like this. And then you want to give name to your list. Let's name it somehow. Also optional, but you can do that. You can add description to your list. And also you can decide if you want your list to be private or public. So use this switcher to set your list as private or public. Now let's tap create button in the bottom right corner of my screen. And from here I can add users to my list. So I can use searching bar at the top of my screen to find specific accounts that I want to add to my list, or I can use this suggestions, and next to each profile I want to tap this add button to basically add this member to my list. So when you're finished, you want to tap done button in the bottom right corner of my screen, and here is my list. So also how you can access your list. Let's pretend that you go to X application, you are in your feed, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Then again go to your lists section, and now under the tab your lists, you will see basically all of your created lists. Okay, so now let me show you how to add members to your list. So you can do that in two ways: from an account's profile or from the list itself. So let's go through the first option. If you want to add someone from someone's profile, you want to go to specific X account. Let me find one. And now you want to tap three-dot button in the top right corner of their screen. And you want to find option that says add/remove from lists. Let's go here, and if you want to add this user to your list, you want to select specific list that you want to add this member to. And if you see here this blue check mark, that means that this user is in your list. Okay, and if I want to remove it, I will go here back again and remove this check mark. Okay, and the second option how you can add someone to your list is from the list itself. So you want to go to your lists section and select the list that you want to edit. Let's simply open it. Tap edit button here. And look for manage members button. You want to go here and go to a section at the top members, and here you will see a list of your users that are in your list. And if you want to remove someone, you want to tap this remove button. And also if you go to suggested section here, you can use the searching bar in order to search for someone on X that you want to add to your list, and from here you can add them. Also you can find some specific lists on someone's profile. If you go to let's go to specific account, for example Elon Musk, for example, and now in the top right corner of your screen you want to tap this three-dot button and select option view lists. So If this user has their lists, you will see them right here. So Elon Musk has this list, and you can subscribe to it by using follow button, and it will be displayed again in your lists section. Here you will see it under your lists tab. And additionally, you can find lists again from the lists section in your side menu. So here at the top you want to press the search bar, and also you can search for some kind of list, but you can use those suggestions. So let me follow some kind of list. I will follow it, and also I can pin it to my lists section. So I want to tap 3-dot button in the top right corner of my screen, and okay, it's already pinned in my home section, but I can also unpin it, or I can pin it. So let's go back to my list section, and here you will see it, your lists. Also, if you tap here 3-dot button, you will see here lists that you are on, and this is the section where you can see the lists that you have been added to. If someone adds to your list, you will see this list here in this section. And I feel like I have told you every single function of the lists function on X application. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.